Welcome guys to Sapna Master IELTS, that is a YouTube channel, and my Facebook page is masterclass.ielts. You can contact me on online classes, that is 7986306731. I am going to start with writing task 2, which was on 4th March 2021. Yes, the recent topic, today's topic actually. So I have come up with that video. Let's think about it. What was that? It was a morning slot. Some people believe that climate change can negatively impact the business. Other people think that climate change can create more business opportunities. Discuss both point of view and give your opinion. In this case, you will write both the opinions and then you will give your opinion. So the sample answers is in front of you. So you can start with the climate change and you can use the synonyms. The climate change, you will paraphrase it. Then it has negative impact. Obviously, the negative consequences, it is over the business. So you will use these words and you will use the synonyms of it. Then it can create more business opportunities. It means the other side of it. So both points are discussed. In this other C, it is an opportunity for growth. In my opinion, climate change is creating the new business opportunities, and both the point of views will be discussed in this essay. Now, first of all, the first point of view was climate change can certainly harm the businesses. For example, extreme weather conditions, they affect the crops. Poor harvest will make farmers poorer, and when farmers don't have the money to spend, suppose this is like this is a mistake. You cannot write this. You cannot use the contractions here. Instead, you must write do not have the money to spend. The demand for the products will decrease. Obviously, this is a disaster for the entire business. Likewise, you used a very good connector and now you're giving another point of view, another reason for that. Conversely, for many companies, changing weather conditions is a positive way. Now you're talking about the positive side. This is because, again, this is a very good connector, which is logically connecting each and every point. Because requirements are dynamic, organizations can seize the opportunity, provide whatever they need. For example, in 2019, again, you have given a factual example here. So that's really good. Then increases the demand for rainwater harvesting systems. Likewise, hotter summers present a great opportunity for manufacturers to sell more fans and air conditioners. These examples clearly demonstrate that if businesses are able to meet the changing needs of society as a result of climate change, they can reap rich dividends. Then, in conclusion, you will write, while many people find climate change bad for the businesses, I believe there are huge monetary benefits to be derived from such changes. So this is a sample answer, guys. I am coming with the next video that is on another slot. This was for the morning slot. I am coming with the evening slot. So prepare according to that and do well. All the best, guys, for the next exam.